In the world of animals, we encounter a vast array of familiar creatures. From beloved domestic companions like dogs and cats to the majestic inhabitants of farms such as horses, cows, pigs, and sheep, our lives are intertwined with these familiar faces. And who can forget the awe-inspiring sights at the zoo, where we marvel at the presence of creatures like tigers, lions, elephants, penguins, and monkeys? The list of well-known animals is truly endless, and attempting to document them all would be an undertaking of epic proportions. At Factorama, we could spend an eternity exploring the rich tapestry of common animal species that capture our imaginations. We have expanded our list to include a fascinating array of creatures from land and sea, encompassing mammals, reptiles, and even insects. These astonishing beings, although sometimes visually unconventional, coexist alongside us on this wondrous planet, serving as a testament to the incredible diversity of life. Prepare to be awestruck as you explore the realm of these extraordinary creatures that share our world. Stick around and watch until the end to see some creatures that you have never seen before. 1. Venezuelan Poodle Moth. In 2009, a newly discovered moth species with an otherworldly appearance was found in Venezuela. This peculiar moth boasts poodle-like fur that covers not only its head and thorax but also extends to its abdomen and wings. 2. Glaucus Atlanticus. The blue dragon, also referred to as a species of blue sea slug, can be observed in warm ocean waters. It floats effortlessly on the surface, aided by a gas-filled sac located in its stomach. 3. Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo Octopus, a globally distributed umbrella octopus, earned its name due to the resemblance of its ear-like fins to the iconic character from Disney's Dumbo. This unique feature has led to its endearing association with the beloved movie. 4. Macropinna Microstoma. Macropinna Microstoma is a peculiar fish species that resides at depths ranging from 600 meters to 800 meters, where it remains almost motionless. Its distinctive feature is a transparent, fluid-filled dome on its head, showcasing its eye lenses. 5. Irrawaddy Dolphin. The Irrawaddy dolphin, a marine mammal inhabiting the Bay of Bengal and Southeast Asia, is characterized by its distinctive round head lacking a discernible beak. This prominent feature sets it apart from other dolphins found in the region. 6. Lowland Streaked Tenrec. Indigenous to Madagascar, Africa, this diminutive tenrec stands out as the sole mammal documented to employ stridulation, a sound-producing technique typically associated with snakes and insects. It showcases a unique adaptation by utilizing this mechanism for generating sounds. 7. Red-lipped batfish. Discovered in the Galapagos Islands, this fish exhibits poor swimming abilities and instead utilizes its pectoral fins to navigate along the ocean floor. Walking on the seabed is its preferred mode of movement. 8. Sunda Colugo. The Sunda Colugo, also known as the Sunda flying lemur, is indigenous to Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore. Despite its name, it is not a lemur and relies on gliding rather than actual flight. This nocturnal species primarily consumes soft plant parts, such as young leaves, shoots, flowers, and fruits. 9. Blue parrotfish. In the tropical and subtropical regions of the western Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, one can encounter a vibrant blue fish residing in shallow waters. These fish dedicate approximately 80% of their time to foraging for food, consuming small organisms obtained from the sand and algae they scrape off rocks. 10. Glass frog. Glass frogs, a family of amphibians discovered in South America, are distinguished by their transparent abdomens, which allow the visibility of internal organs through their skin. This unique characteristic has earned them the common name of glass frogs. 11. Fossa. The fossa, an intriguing mammal endemic to Madagascar, has sparked debates regarding its classification due to its cat-like physical features and contrasting characteristics resembling those of vivarids. However, genetic research has conclusively revealed that the fossa is a distinct and separate species, establishing its unique evolutionary path. 12. Panda Ant. Despite its ant-like appearance and common reference as an ant, the furry panda ant is actually a wingless wasp. It is notorious for its nickname cowkiller and is characterized by females having thicker fur but no wings. These fascinating insects have a lifespan of approximately 2 years. 13. Tufted Deer. The tufted deer, native to central China, showcases a distinct tuft of black hair on its forehead and possesses fawn-like canines, specifically in males. This small deer species tends to be timid and predominantly solitary, although it occasionally forms pairs, favoring habitats with ample vegetation for cover. 14. Honduran White Bat. The Honduran White Bat possesses unique white fur, complemented by gray-tipped individual hairs and a nose shaped like a leaf. These bats construct their shelters by delicately severing the side veins of large leaves, forming leaf-shaped tents. 15. Japanese Spider Crab. Residing in the waters surrounding Japan, the Japanese spider crab possesses the largest leg span among all arthropods, measuring an impressive 5.5 meters, 18 feet. Despite its intimidating appearance, reports suggest that this crab exhibits a gentle and non-aggressive nature. 16. Saiga Antelope. The critically endangered Saiga antelope, native to the Eurasian steppe, is renowned for its remarkably unusual and oversized nose structure called the proboscis. This flexible and distinctive feature sets it apart and contributes to the saiga's endangered status. 17. Spiny bush viper. The rough-scaled bush viper or spiny bush viper, scientifically known as Atheris hispida, is a venomous viper species found in Central Africa. Renowned for its distinctive keeled dorsal scales, this viper exhibits a rough texture, earning it its common names and highlighting its unique physical characteristics. 18. Leafy Seadragon. The leafy seadragon, inhabiting the southern and western coasts of Australia, possesses an intricate camouflage mechanism with numerous leaf-like protrusions dispersed across its body. These remarkable features enable the seadragon to blend seamlessly into its surroundings in the marine environment. 19. Atritocoana izelti. Atritocoana izelti, a species of caecilian, possesses a wide, flat head and a fleshy dorsal fin along its body. Although it is not a snake, it has earned a nickname that subtly refers to its resemblance to snake-like creatures. 20. Dik-dik. Dik-diks, referring to 4 species of small antelope in the genus Medoqua, inhabit the bushlands of eastern and southern Africa. These herbivorous creatures showcase remarkable heat tolerance, enduring air temperatures of up to 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 21. Lilac-Breasted Roller. The Lilac-Breasted Roller, found across sub-Saharan Africa and the southern Arabian Peninsula, is a vibrant bird known for its preference to perch on tall trees and other elevated spots, providing it with excellent vantage points to spot prey on the ground. Its striking plumage, highlighted by deep lilac breast feathers, makes it easily recognizable and visually captivating. 22. Mata mata. The mata mata, a freshwater turtle native to South America, is recognized for its distinct features, including a large, triangular, flattened head adorned with numerous tubercles and flaps of skin. Additionally, it possesses a long, tubular snout with a distinctive horn. 23. Sea pig. Scotoplanes, a type of sea cucumber, inhabit the deep ocean bottoms, particularly the abyssal plain in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean, at depths exceeding 1,000 meters. These deposit feeders rely on extracting organic particles from the depths of the sea by feeding on deep-sea mud as their source of sustenance. 24. Superb bird of paradise. The superb bird of paradise, a small avian species, faces intense competition among males due to its small female population, leading to the development of one of the most peculiar and intricate courtship displays in the bird kingdom. The male sports a black body with an iridescent green crown, a blue-green breast cover, and a long velvety black erectile cape that envelopes his back, while the female is characterized by a reddish-brown coloration with brownish barred buff below. 25. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko, native to the island of Madagascar, possesses a flattened tail that remarkably resembles a leaf, enabling it to seamlessly camouflage itself in its surroundings. This gecko species has evolved this unique adaptation to enhance its survival and concealment within its environment. 26. Halotref's jelly. Halotrefs is a deep-sea hygrozoan species that thrives in the depths of 4,000 to 5,000 feet below the surface. It is characterized by its habitat and adaptability to the extreme conditions of the deep-sea environment. 27. Pink fairy armadillo. The pink fairy armadillo, found in central Argentina, holds the distinction of being the smallest species of armadillo. With small eyes and silky yellowish-white fur, it possesses a flexible dorsal shell that is connected to its body solely through a thin dorsal membrane. 28. Okapi. The okapi, a mammal native to the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Central Africa, exhibits zebra-like stripes on its legs but is genetically more closely related to giraffes. Its coat ranges from chocolate to reddish-brown, providing a stark contrast to the white horizontal stripes and rings on its legs as well as the white ankles. 29. Maned wolf. The maned wolf, the largest canid species in South America, displays a notable resemblance to foxes, despite not being classified as a fox or a wolf. It engages in symbiotic relationships with other species and tends to exhibit shyness towards humans. 30. Star-nosed mole. The star-nosed mole, a small creature inhabiting wet low areas in northern parts of North America, is characterized by its distinctive snout, equipped with over 25,000 minute sensory receptors known as Eimer's organs. These specialized receptors enable the mole to excel at detecting seismic waves, allowing it to navigate its environment effectively. 31. Blobfish. The blobfish is a deep-sea fish found in the waters surrounding mainland Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand. With its gelatinous body having a density slightly lower than water, it can effortlessly float above the sea floor without exerting energy, although it may appear droopy when exposed to drastic pressure changes outside of its natural habitat. 32. Pacu. Pacu possess remarkably human-like square, straight teeth, distinguishing them from piranhas. In contrast to piranhas, pacu primarily consume plant matter rather than flesh or scales. 33. Golden tortoise beetle. The golden tortoise beetle, indigenous to the Americas, is a beetle species known for its coloration that ranges from reddish-brown with black spots to a golden hue, often displaying a metallic sheen. Fascinatingly, this beetle has the ability to change its color in different situations, including during mating and when experiencing disturbance, such as being touched by a researcher, adding to its captivating nature and earning it the nickname goldbug. 34. Gobi Jerboa. The Gobi Jerboa, native to China and Mongolia, is a rodent species adapted to desert and steppe environments. Notably, these agile creatures possess a long tail that aids in their bipedal gallop, facilitating swift movement. The most striking feature of the Gobi Jerboa is its exceptionally large ears, which are nearly 3 times the size of its head, providing them with a keen sense of hearing. 35. Sea pen. The sea pen, a colonial animal consisting of multiple polyps, anchors itself in sandy or muddy substrates. Primarily feeding on plankton, these fascinating creatures exhibit an intriguing response when touched, emitting a vibrant greenish light, a phenomenon that adds to their captivating nature. 36. Axolotl. The axolotl, also recognized as a Mexican salamander, is a salamander species that finds itself in a critically endangered state. Renowned for its remarkable regenerative capabilities, axolotls have become a valuable subject of extensive research and study. 37. Narwhal. The narwhal, a medium-toothed whale inhabiting the Arctic, possesses a notable feature, a large tusk derived from a protruding canine tooth. For more than a millennium, the Inuit people have held the narwhal in high regard, valuing it for its meat and ivory. Nevertheless, these unique creatures are particularly susceptible to the impacts of climate change, highlighting the vulnerability they face in the changing Arctic environment. 38. Mantis shrimp. Referred to by various names such as sea locusts, prawn killers, and even thumb splitters, this predator is widely prevalent in tropical and subtropical waters. Equipped with formidable claws, these creatures employ their strength to attack and subdue prey, utilizing techniques such as spearing, stunning, or dismembering. Notably, certain larger species possess the capability to even break through aquarium glass, underscoring their impressive power and potential danger. 39. Shoebill. The shoebill, a stork-like avian species, earns its name from its remarkable feature, an enormous beak that resembles a shoe in shape. Inhabiting the large swamps of tropical East Africa, this bird is notable for its deliberate movements and tendency to remain motionless for extended durations, leading to its description as statue-like, capturing its fascinating behavior and unique presence. 40. Patagonian Mara. Native to Argentina, the Patagonian Mara is a sizable rodent species. Despite being monogamous, these animals often engage in communal breeding, utilizing shared warrens that accommodate multiple pairs. Resembling hares in appearance, the Patagonian Mara showcases both fascinating social behavior and physical characteristics. 41. Goblin Shark. Referred to as a living fossil, the Goblin Shark holds the distinction of being the sole surviving member of the ancient Mitsucarinidae family, with a lineage dating back approximately 125 million years. Inhabiting depths exceeding 100 meters, 330 feet, adults of this species tend to reside even deeper than their juvenile counterparts, and due to their deep-sea habitat, goblin sharks pose no threat to humans. 42. Hummingbird Hawk-Moth. Resembling a hummingbird in its feeding habits and the humming sound it produces, this hawk-moth bears a striking resemblance to its avian counterpart. What adds to its intrigue is its impressive ability to learn and discern colors, showcasing a surprising aptitude for color recognition. 43. Yeti crab. Kiwa hirsuta, commonly known as the yeti crab, is a crustacean that stands out due to the abundance of silky blonde setae that adorn its thoracic legs, including its claws. Notably, this crab lacks pigment and possesses reduced eyes, leading to the hypothesis that it is blind. 44. Sri Lanka Frogmouth. The Sri Lanka frogmouth, native to the western Ghats of South India and Sri Lanka, is a nocturnal avian species. This unique bird features a broad and curved bill with distinctive slit-like nostrils, accompanied by a sizable head sporting forward-facing eyes that enable a wide range of binocular vision. 45. Long-wattled umbrella bird. Endemic to Colombia, the long-wattled umbrella bird is a fruit-eating bird species. Notably, the males of this species possess a remarkable feature, a voluminous throat wattle composed of feathers, while females and juveniles exhibit either no wattle or a significantly smaller one, setting them apart in appearance. Native to Colombia, the long-wattled umbrella bird is a frugivorous bird. The male is distinguished by a large throat wattle of feathers, while females and juveniles have no or a much smaller wattle. 46. Dugong. The dugong, a medium-sized marine mammal, stands as the sole Sirenian species found across its extensive range encompassing approximately 40 countries and territories throughout the Indo-West Pacific. Recognized as an inspiration for mermaid folklore, the dugong possesses a substantial, cylindrical body that tapers at both ends, showcasing its distinctive physical form. 47. Giant isopod. This remarkable species represents the pinnacle of isopod size, standing as the largest among its kind. It serves as a prime example of deep-sea gigantism, surpassing the size of typical isopods that typically reach lengths of up to 5 centimeters, 2.0 inches. 48. Ii. The ii, originating from Madagascar, holds the distinction of being the largest nocturnal primate on Earth. Its most notable trait is its unique feeding behavior, as it utilizes its forward slanting incisors to tap on trees and create holes, subsequently using its slender middle finger to extract delicious grubs hidden within the wood. 49. Cantor's giant soft-shell turtle. The Cantor's giant soft-shell turtle, found in Southeast Asia, is a freshwater species that remains relatively understudied and faces the threat of endangerment. Characterized by its broad head and small eyes positioned near the tip of its snout, this turtle adopts a sedentary lifestyle, spending the majority of its time buried motionless beneath the water's surface, only emerging twice daily to obtain necessary breaths of air. 50. Silkie Chicken. The silkie, a distinct breed of chicken, derives its name from its soft and silky plumage. Notable for its atypical features such as black skin and bones, blue earlobes, and the presence of 5 toes on each foot, this breed stands out. Additionally, silkie chickens are renowned for their exceptionally docile and friendly temperament, making them among the most amiable members of the poultry community. 51. Gerenuk. The gerenuk, native to Africa, is an antelope species characterized by its elongated neck and limbs. Commonly referred to as the giraffe gazelle, this unique animal dedicates a significant portion of its day to foraging and feeding on vegetation in its habitat. 52. Bufftip moth. The bufftip, discovered in various regions of Europe and Mongolia, is a sizable moth that, when at rest, bears a striking resemblance to a fractured twig. With creamy white hindwings, this moth's camouflage further enhances its twig-like appearance, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its natural environment. 53. Snub-Nosed Monkey. The bufftip, discovered in various regions of Europe and Mongolia, is a sizable moth that, when at rest, bears a striking resemblance to a fractured twig. With creamy white hindwings, this moth's camouflage further enhances its twig-like appearance, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its natural environment. 54. Aardvark. The aardvark, indigenous to Africa, is a medium-sized mammal renowned for its burrowing habits and nocturnal nature. Sporting a long, pig-like snout, this creature employs its remarkable sense of smell to locate food, primarily ants and termites, which it skillfully extracts from their hills with the aid of sharp claws and robust legs. 55. Naked mole rat. Referred to as the sand puppy, the naked mole rat is a burrowing rodent native to certain regions of East Africa. This extraordinary creature thrives in the challenging underground environment, displaying unique characteristics such as being the only mammalian thermoconformer, primarily relying on its surrounding temperature for body heat regulation, and exhibiting a remarkable lack of pain sensitivity in its skin, alongside exceptionally low metabolic and respiratory rate. 56. Indian purple frog. Native to India, this particular species of frog possesses a bloated body and a distinctly pointed snout. Adapted for an underground lifestyle, this frog spends the majority of its life beneath the Earth's surface, emerging only during the monsoon season for the purpose of mating. 57. Thorny Devil. The Thorny Devil, also known as the thorny dragon, is a lizard species indigenous to Australia. It showcases a camouflage of desert browns and tans, blending seamlessly with its arid surroundings, with its colors transitioning from pale to dark to adapt to seasonal changes. Alongside its protective covering of sharp spikes, the Thorny Devil employs a unique defense mechanism by presenting a false head when faced with threats, further confounding and deterring potential predators. 58. Babirusa. The babirusa, commonly referred to as a deer pig, is a swine species native to Indonesia. Notably, male babirusas possess remarkably long upper canines that can reach lengths of up to 40 centimeters, distinguishing them as one of the most prominent features of this unique animal. 59. Sea lamprey. The sea lamprey, found in the northern hemisphere, is a parasitic lamprey characterized by a circular, jawless mouth that resembles a suction cup and is lined with numerous rows of sharp teeth. This unique anatomical feature allows it to latch onto its hosts and extract nutrients as a proficient parasite in aquatic ecosystems. 60. Umbonia spinosa. Native to South America, Umbonia spinosa is a species of thorn bug that utilizes its beak to puncture plant stems, extracting nourishing sap as its primary source of sustenance. 61. Warty frogfish. The warty frogfish, also referred to as the clown frogfish, possesses a spherical and stretchable body with a soft skin adorned by wart-like protrusions. Its sizable mouth enables it to devour prey as large as its own body, showcasing the remarkable feeding capabilities of this unique creature. Our planet is home to an astonishing array of extraordinary and often bizarre creatures. From the crossbreed lycocopi to the peculiar blobfish, and from the thorny devil to the blue dragon sea slug, these remarkable beings challenge our expectations and expand our understanding of the natural world. Their unique appearances and adaptations serve as a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. As we continue to explore and uncover new species, we are continually reminded of the vast wonders that exist alongside us. Let us embrace the awe-inspiring beauty and strangeness of these unsightly yet captivating creatures that share our planet, for they are a testament to the boundless possibilities of life's evolution. If you enjoyed today's video and stayed until the end, please hit that like and subscribe button along with that bell icon so that you can be notified each time we post. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.